Let's learn how to draw! Pick up your pencil nice and slow. Let's draw a circle, round we go. Add two eyes and make a smile. Now we've made a face with style. Draw, draw, let's draw today. Shapes and lines in a fun new way. Scribble here and color there. Art is fun everywhere. Draw a square, then a tree. Add some clouds and a buzzing bee. Make a house with a big brown door. Oh wow, let's draw even more. Draw, draw, let's draw today. Shapes and lines in a fun new way. Scribble here and color there. Art is fun everywhere. Use your crayons, use your pens. Draw with